Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to manage power-saving mode in Yandex Browser on your mobile device. This feature is really useful for extending your battery life and ensuring your phone lasts longer throughout the day. First, open Yandex Browser on your mobile device. Next, locate the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, click on the Settings icon to access the browser settings. After that, find the Power Saving Mode section and click on it. Then, under the Power Saving Mode section, you will see a slider that allows you to set the battery percentage at which the mode activates. Simply drag the slider to the desired battery percentage that fits your needs. Your Yandex browser will now automatically enable Power Saving Mode when your battery reaches that level. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others.